Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Safii. I live in Parengan Village, Jetis, Subdistrict Mojokerto Regency, East Java. My current job is in the Quality Control section of FL1 department. I worked at Ajinomoto starting in 1995. I am proud to be able to work at the Ajinomoto factory because Ajinomoto is the number one of spicy factory in the Indonesia and even number one the world. Oh yes, the Ajinomoto factory produce at LIA Masako, Sachiku, Sauri, Mayumi, and MSC, as well as byproducts such as amine, fertilizer, Agifol, and FML. That's what can be done, I convey. Greetings, Ajinomoto. Ajinomoto, yes, zero accident, okay. Quality, okay. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.